I'm going to take a look at Revell's Star Wars AT-ACT Cargo Walker. This is a build and play kit. This kit roughly retails around $20 and is available online or at your local hobby shop and even the big box stores. I always start with the box. Beautiful box art. The box art is done by the great John Eves. There's the side of the box. The back of the box shows you completed model and what comes in the kit. Again, always start with the instructions. Those come with a black and white instruction sheet. Pretty much pretty straightforward for a snap type. Very clear instructions. And the legs are movable. There's no painting guide as it's already basically pre-painted, but it does show you how to replace the batteries in the battery feature, which I will get to in just a moment. The kit itself is actually 45 pieces, and it's actually molded in gray and orange, but really that's pretty much all there is to it. There's the body. Detail on it is a little soft, but it is pretty sharp in detail for the size of the model. The cargo door here. Two of those. There's the top of that. Yep. Not too bad. The foot here. Let's see. I really see no sink marks or any flash of anything of that nature on here. Side part of the AT-AT. What's that? The top part. The detail on it's, I mean, it's really sharp, even for the scale. The legs come multi-pieces, and it is, if I read it right here on the back, that the multi-joint positionable legs. So that is an excellent feature for this kit. There's the, what are they, turret, head turret chin guns, or even if it does have chin guns. Just needs, even got the slit in there, not bad. This is the main head. This is where the electronics features is. You do get the speaker hole, you get the battery hole, but it does make one continuous sound of the walker walking and shooting. One more time. It's almost about 7 seconds in play, so that's not too bad. There's the cockpit. I know it's probably a little cramp in there, but it does have one, and detail on it's actually pretty sharp on it as well. Really great kit. I mean, it's got a lot of parts for the build and play series, but actually just a absolutely fantastic looking kit. Highly recommend it.